Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating District of Columbia 13 error code on your Samsung washing machine from 2025 models, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error typically signals a drainage issue, like a clogged filter or a kinked hose, which can stop your machine dead in its tracks. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you a pricey service call. Let's dive in and get your washer back up and running. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washing machine from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, locate the drain hose. It's usually at the back of the machine. Check for any kinks, blockages, or if it's properly connected to the drain pipe. Straighten it out if needed and make sure it's not clogged with debris like lint or small objects. Next, let's tackle the filter. Most Samsung models have a filter at the bottom front or back. Use a bucket to catch any water, then unscrew the cover and pull out the filter. Give it a good rinse under warm water to remove any buildup. While you're at it, inspect the area around the filter for any loose items or gunk that might be causing the problem. After cleaning, reassemble everything and plug the machine back in. Run a quick drain or rinse cycle to test it out. If the District of Columbia 13 error persists, double-check your work or consider if there's a more serious issue, like a faulty pump. And there you have it. That's how you fix the District of Columbia 13 error on your Samsung washing machine. If this doesn't solve the problem, it might be time to call in a professional technician. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues down the line. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.